The Hx-50B cable lug crimping tool presents itself as a dedicated solution for managing electrical connections requiring substantial wire gauges. Designed specifically for crimping various types of lugs, this tool targets applications where robust and secure connections are paramount. At its core, the Hx-50B is engineered for crimping heavy-duty wire lugs, battery terminals, and copper lugs. A key performance indicator is its specified compatibility with wire sizes ranging from AWG8 to 1/0, indicating its suitability for a broad spectrum of larger gauge wiring tasks. The inclusion of 60 copper ring terminals directly with the tool provides immediate utility, allowing users to begin projects without the need for separate terminal procurement. This tool is particularly suited for scenarios involving high-current electrical systems. Its intended use with heavy-duty wire lugs and battery terminals suggests applications in automotive, marine, solar power, or industrial settings where reliable power distribution is critical. The accompanying copper ring terminals further support these use cases by providing standard components for common connection points. While specific design elements are not detailed, the designation as a crimping tool implies a functional design focused on delivering consistent and secure crimps. The heavy-duty descriptor suggests a build quality intended for frequent or demanding use, promoting reliability in environments where robust tools are essential for safe and effective electrical work. In summary, the Hx-50B cable lug crimping tool, bundled with 60 copper ring terminals, offers a focused solution for professionals and enthusiasts working with substantial electrical wiring. Its specified capacity for AWG8-1/0 wires and clear application for heavy-duty lugs and battery terminals positions it as a practical option for ensuring secure and enduring electrical connections in demanding contexts.